Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Builder Gel last. Start with a clean, prepped canvas. Push back your cuticles and carefully remove any excess skin. Lightly buff the natural nail to create a slightly rough surface, which helps the gel adhere better. Finally, use a nail dehydrator to remove all oils and moisture, ensuring a perfect foundation for your Builder Gel application. This meticulous preparation can add several days to your wear time. After prepping, apply a very thin layer of base coat and cure it. Then, take a small bead of Builder Gel and carefully sculpt it onto the nail, building a slight apex in the center. This apex is vital for strength, preventing breaks and cracks. Ensure each layer is fully cured according to your lamp's specifications, typically 60 seconds for LED or 2 minutes for UV, before moving to the next step. Once your Builder Gel is cured, file and shape the nails to your desired look, ensuring smooth edges. Apply a high-quality top coat and cure it for a brilliant, long-lasting shine. To maintain flexibility and prevent lifting, moisturize your cuticles daily with a good cuticle oil. Remember, treat your nails gently. Avoid using them to open cans or pick at things, as this can significantly reduce their wear time. If you experience lifting, reevaluate your nail preparation. It's often the culprit. Cracking usually points to an insufficient apex or layers that are too thin. Sticky or soft gel means it wasn't fully cured, so check your lamp and curing times. For optimal longevity and nail health, plan to infill or reapply your Builder Gel every 3 to 4 weeks, ensuring your manicure stays fresh and strong.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.